In today's video I want to show you the new Wrap and Emboss tool in Shapr3D. I'm showing it on iPad, but it works the same on computer too. Open a new project and start with a sketch on the front plane. I'll quickly design a bowl to show you a use case for the new tool. Follow along if you want. Use the line tool to draw the outline as shown. To set the dimension, select a line and enter the value you want. I'll make this 80 mm wide. And this 75 mm. The overall height is 30 mm. This cutout is 5 mm wide and 3 mm high. Now let's add a radius. Use the arc tool and draw an arc from the left corner to the right vertical line. Select the arc and the right line and make them tangent. Do the same with the arc and the horizontal line. The radius is 5 mm. The contour is finished. Click Exit Sketch. You can rotate your view using your finger, mouse, or the cube in the top right corner. Go to Tools and select Revolve. Click within the contour, then select the left vertical line as the rotation axis. Click Done. Go to Items on the left and hide the sketch, it's not needed anymore. This is optional, but I like to change the body's color. Click Visualization and choose a color or material you like. Then go back to modeling. Now go to Tools and select Shell to make the bowl hollow. Select the top surface, drag the arrow inwards, and set the wall thickness to 2 mm. The bowl is finished. Now onto the Wrap and Emboss tool. Go to Add and select Construction Plane. Select this plane. Click Next. And drag the arrow to the outside of the bowl. Click Done. Now place a sketch on this plane. Click More on the left and select the Text tool. Write the text you want on the body. Choose a font, size, and alignment, then click Continue. Choosing a font always takes me so long. Too many options to choose from. I'll make the text 12 mm high. And center aligned. Move the text to where you want it. I'm trying to place the text centered on the top part of the bowl. Perfect. Click Done. Then exit Sketch. Go to Tools and select the new Wrap and Emboss tool. Zoom in and select the letters. Make sure not to select the inner parts of the A, P, and E's. Perfect. Then select the outer contour of the bowl. I'm not sure why it's mirroring the text, but I'm sure the Shapr team will fix that soon. For now, we'll fix it in the next step. Click Done and go to the history. Click on the Wrap and Emboss step. Here you can tick precise positioning, which will fix the text orientation. You can also choose to emboss or engrave. Enter a positive value to have the text stick out, or a negative value to engrave it into the body. When you're done, hide the plane and sketch as we won't need them anymore. Looking at it now, I decided I prefer the text to stick out, so I went back to history and changed the value to 1 mm. The next steps are optional. I want to repeat the text around the bowl using the Pattern tool. Go to Transform and select Pattern. Make sure it's set to Circular Pattern. Hold and drag a selection window from top left to bottom right to select the text only. Move the rotation point to the center of the bowl and use the arrow to rotate the text around the axis. It will show an error message as long as the text overlaps itself, so rotate until it's no longer overlapping. Now enter 360 degrees and set the quantity to how many times you want it placed around the bowl. Play around with it to find what you like. When you're ready, click Done. And that's it. You successfully used the new Wrap and Emboss tool to create this cute bowl. I hope this tutorial helped. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. If you want to learn more about 3D modeling, 3D printing, and laser cutting, check out my other videos. Thanks for watching, see you next time.